welcome back to my channel. I know I say this at the start of like every single video that I make, but I'm so excited for today's video. And that's because today's video is going to be my back to school supplies haul for 2018. If you guys saw the vlog that came before this video, it should already be up on my channel. I'll have it linked down below and I'll have it like flagged right up there. If you guys already saw that video, then you already got a sneak peek at some of the stuff that I bought, but I didn't buy too many things this year. I try not to show you guys too much so as to not spoil the surprise for all the stuff that I have. But without further ado, let's just get started with the haul. Actually, just kidding, I lied. I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about myself as a student before we get started. I am actually a senior in college and I go to the University of Washington Seattle campus. I am doing my undergrad right now there, and you know, this is going to be kind of a college school supplies haul, so I kind of just bought my essentials. I didn't pick up too many other things, but if you are going into college or even high school, I think this video is going to be helpful for what you need to pick up. And I actually had a lot of supplies left over from the year before, so I didn't want to double up on that just for the sake of the video, but I do still have my supplies here. I have some clips of them from the store, and so I'll be able to insert that into the video. Alright, now we can for real get started with the video, and this is actually my boyfriend.
Hi.
He's been out of college. He graduated last year actually, but maybe he can give some input into the stuff that I am gonna be, what was I trying to say? But maybe he can still talk a little bit about the school supplies that I do have, because he actually went shopping with me for them, so yeah. Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. Alright.
Got it.
Yeah. Alright, I don't know if I should keep my glasses on just because it is like kind of a school video, but yes, I guess he is going to be doing this year's school supplies haul video with me. So, every single year I start off by showing you guys my backpack. I have been using this backpack for school for pretty long now. I have a few that I use, but this is the one I always go back to no matter what. It is one of those Konkin backpacks. I don't actually know how to pronounce it properly, so I'm not even going to try because I'm going to butcher it, but did you want to?
Dang, you butchered this backpack.
No! Anyways, this is in like the sky blue color. It's the medium size, but I'll have the exact specs for it listed down below and where I bought it, just so you guys can take a peek at the other colors and stuff like that. But this is the backpack that I've been using. It's super duper durable, and it's a rucksack, so it actually deposits the weight equally in the backpack, which is really important for like those long campus walks, because sometimes I'm running like a mile from class to class because that's how big my campus is. So it's really good to have like something that will support better posture, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, he's like a full foot taller than me, so he's going to be like leaning for this video if you guys don't mind. Anyways, the next thing that I want to show you guys is... What?
I'm Wizard Kelly.
Oh my gosh. The first thing that I actually want to show you guys that I am taking with me to college this year is my laptop. And every single year, Mac actually does kind of a student discount thing. I got mine last year. I'll have like all the details for that listed down below just in case you did need some new tech for school. But another thing I wanted to draw attention to was my laptop case. I have trouble committing to stickers.
Clear case.
Yeah.
But she also has trouble with like breaking things, and it's a case, you know.
I do though. I drop things all the time and they shatter. They tend to shatter. Like no matter how many times he drops his phone, it will not shatter. I could drop mine on like a carpet and the entire screen would be like messed up. But anyways, this is the case that I bought on Amazon. I got it with Student Prime, so if you are a college student, I definitely recommend you sign up for that. It's cheaper and you get 6 months for free. It's a great way to get your textbooks. But this year I used it to get a laptop case, and that was a really long story for how I got my laptop case. But yeah, I stuck the stickers between the case and the laptop so that I didn't have to actually stick it on the case either. So we just got back from Target and we picked up a few things, not too many things, because as you get into like higher levels of education, you don't actually need that much, right?
I wouldn't say so.
Yeah, pretty much just like, what did you use to take notes in college?
I slept a lot in class.
Oh my
I'm just
god,
kidding,
don't
no.
promote that!
No, yeah, I had a couple notebooks.
Yeah, notebooks.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's kind of like, you really don't need too many because your classes change so often that you can kind of just like rip out the notes and then reuse it for the next quarter. But I understand that like with high school and stuff like that, you kind of need notebooks for each subject to keep track of notes. So this year I decided to only pick up 2, and he helped me pick out the designs. The first one we picked out was this one right over here. It is, yes, it's college ruled. I actually forgot to
You didn't check?
That would be such a nightmare if it was wide ruled. But it is just a Mead notebook. It has a hard cardboard kind of exterior, so the paper inside is going to be nice and protected. And it is college ruled, so yes, just one standard size notebook.
Oh, this one is a 5-star. Yeah, and it's also college ruled. As you can see, it's like there's 2 subjects in here. Again, in college, it's better to get like a multi-subject notebook.
Yeah, that's true.
Because, you know, it will save, you know, money and time and stuff.
Space, yeah.
For sure.
You don't have to
You're not
carry
gonna
too
use
many
all of it.
notebooks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But in high school, I know a lot of teachers like prefer you to have a separate notebook for each thing. So,
for sure.
Yeah.
I also have been using kind of the smaller size for notebooks just because I think it's a little bit easier to carry around with me and I can study with it a little bit better. All right, the next thing that we picked up was some pens. These are just plain black pens. There's a Pilot friction ball.
Ball friction.
If you have trouble with friction and your balls, oh my gosh, that sounds so bad. Who made the name for this? Oh my gosh, they have like tattoos in the background. Do you see that? This is intense, you guys. But I got this one in particular because you're always gonna need like black pens to take notes with. Kind of standard. I really like taking notes with pens, and this one was erasable, which is why I got it. And I've written with these pens before. And I just kind of liked how the ink flowed out and it dried pretty quickly, so yeah. And actually that's going to lead me into this next thing right over here, which is my pencil case. This is a Betsy Johnson pencil case. I've been using it for the past year. I really like it. It's a great size to keep all of my stuff in. I'm almost shocked by how many things that I can keep in here. I will also be making a college essentials type video, so I'll be including more stuff, more detailed information about like what I take with me to school, but this is my current pencil case, and I'll just pull out some of the pens that I'm already using. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm reusing pens from last year because they haven't run out yet, you know?
That's
like,
good.
why buy new pens? Oh, and I have the highlighters you gave me, actually.
Oh, what? I gave you highlighters?
Let's
There's
organize.
a lot of stuff in there.
Yeah, right? And yeah, we're just going to kind of show you guys the brands that I personally use, and where you can find them will be linked down below.
These are Les pens. Where you got them from the Wajimaya in Seattle.
Which is like a Japanese bookstore?
Yeah.
Stationery, there's lots of stationery.
Yeah. And these are like $1.75 a pen.
Yeah, they're almost $2 a pen, but I only buy like 2 or 3 colors every year, and I just keep using them. I've had them for so long. Some of them are actually from the Philippines, from when I bought them in the Philippines. They're different types of pink.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. They're 2 different colors.
Oh no, they're the same one. But they do last really long. The quality of the pen is definitely worth what you're getting. You can buy them in sets too, which is really nice. They're not going to bleed through like planners or anything. So if you do have a few bucks to spare, like he was saying, you know, maybe splurge on some good pens.
No, I'm good.
Yeah, no, it's good. Sorry. So the next thing we're kind of gonna tag team on. These are the Paper Mate clear point pens. They usually come in like packs of 3, like different colors and different sizes. There's like 0.5, 0.7, and 0.9. These are a mix of 0.5 and 0.7 ones, and I again have been using these for years. These are probably from my first year of college. These ones are from my second year of college, and they're really durable.
Really?
Yeah, I think it's almost $10 for 3 mechanical pencils, lead, and some eraser refills, but they've lasted me for years. So I feel like, you know, it's better to invest in like good quality kind of stationery like ones and then just take care of it. So that's what I've been doing. These are the pens I've been loving.
These are the leads, the refillable lead
I have
things.
all of that in my pencil case. And I got all of that lead from him because for some reason he had a ton of lead. The 2 highlighters that I've been using are like a blue and an orange one. These are the ones that were in my pencil case. He bought me these like last year, and I don't use my highlighters too often. I like to switch out the colors so they all get equal use. Honestly, that's a school supplies pro tip hack. If you have a boyfriend, make him buy it for you. Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, the next thing that I have here are just a bunch of like different colored pens. You look so sad.
No.
I'm just kidding. Just a bunch of different colored pens. There's actually like there's 6 more colors of this one that I have. I'm just keeping these 4 on me right now. But these were, I believe, $11 and you got 10 pens. And like I said, with these kind of stationery, I've been just keeping them around and taking good care of them. That was all in my pencil case, and that didn't need to be. So next I just picked up some Post-it sticky notes right over here. Just one color because, you know, it takes forever to get through a pack of sticky notes. So I keep my reminders right here on my laptop, and I just like put a little pad over here. Not like the full pad, I'll just take 5 or 6 and stick them over there. Just, it's a really convenient way to jot down things really quickly, especially in lecture. If you have like an important date coming up, that's where I'll put it. The last thing that I picked up is this Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is the powder that I use every day to like set my makeup, and I also use it to touch up my makeup throughout the day. I like to have these on me at all times, so I'm just gonna keep one in my school backpack. Yep.
Same here. This is an absolute essential to have.
The next thing that I have to show you guys is actually also sold at Target. It is my very first PR package ever from Yoobi. Yay! This is what it looks like inside, and I'm so excited to share everything in here.
Whoever gave this box or got it together really likes mermaid stuff.
So a little bit about the brand Yoobi. They are sold in Target stores and online on Yoobi.com. We'll have all their information, all their social media handles listed down below. But their kind of mission statement, I really kind of connection to their mission statement, because if you have heard me talk about it before, I do work for an educational nonprofit at UW, so I'm really into this kind of thing. But for every Yoobi product purchased, they will donate one product to a child or a classroom in need of new school supplies. Since 2014, they've donated 3.5 million school supplies, which is awesome. That is a lot of school supplies to be giving out totally free to people who need it, and I really like that. So that's why I agreed to kind of plug this in a video. This video isn't sponsored. I just thought, you know, since Target is where I get all my school supplies and Yoobi is sold at Target, I figured I would show you guys. Let's just get into the whole Mermaid Vibes collection.
There you go, stickers.
Yeah, it's a 4-pack of puppy stickers. This is something that you could probably use in a planner. I think that would be really cute. Or you could use it to decorate notebooks, would be really nice if you kind of bought like plain notebooks like I did. This is a mermaid pen. It has a little fishtail on it, which is super duper cute, and it's super on brand for kind of the theme of this whole thing. I don't know if I have room in my pencil case for this, so I won't be opening it. I'll probably include it in the giveaway, so one of you guys will get this, which is awesome. Scissors. Adult scissors. This is just like the really big craft scissors, and I actually always need scissors, so I'm gonna be holding on to this one.
Useful index cards.
Right? And it has index cards in it. Yeah, so this is the Yoobi index cards case. This one has 100 3x5 inch cards, and it also has the dividers in there, which is really nice because you get the case, the cards, and the dividers.
That's really cool.
Yeah, right? I think it's really convenient, and it's printed really cute, refillable, and this is what I used to study. Did you ever use these in college?
Yeah, you can put them, like, you can, if they allow you to use index cards,
yeah,
divide them by subject. That's really nice.
A lot of times, like even on exams, you'll get the opportunity to do one 3x5 inch index card as like a cheat sheet. So these come in clutch. This is a pencil case, I think.
Oh,
yeah.
Cool.
It's cute, right?
Yeah.
It is a little, yep, it is a pencil case. One of the smaller ones, but I already have a pencil case, like I said, so one of you guys will be getting this one as well.
Some stickers.
Oh yeah, more
Again.
stickers. This is cute. Yeah, these are planner stickers. There are 4 sheets, and they just kind of are related to like bills, planning, events, vacations. So just a sticker set.
We got a screen cleaner here, but yours is broken, so what's the point? Yeah.
Yes, it's just a keychain. It's cute though. This was the next item that we pulled out. It is just a clear pencil case that says Mermaid Vibes. Sorry y'all, I'm actually going to be keeping this pencil case just because I want to use it as a makeup bag. Where I work, we do need a clear bag, so I'm just going to use this for that. Holographic notebook. Oh, actually it's a planner. Yeah, a 2018-2019 weekly and monthly planner. It is laid out horizontally. If you're familiar with planners, it's a horizontal layout. Yeah, a comp book. This is a kind of mermaid scale. And the holographic interior is just so cute, right? With like the lavender.
I like it.
Yeah, this is a college ruled composition notebook. I already have my notebooks for school, so I'm going to add this to the giveaway. I think I'm going to keep this one. It is a satin pink and silver glitter notebook. It has palm leaves on the inside, it's college ruled, and it has a little folder in the front. So yeah, out of the entire PR package that Yoobi sent to me, and you guys will be getting all of this stuff. You'll be getting the planner, the stickers, the keychain, the pen, a pencil case, and a notebook. But also, Yoobi was kind enough to do a giveaway in this video. So, one of my very lucky subscribers will be receiving a $25 gift card for Yoobi. It's an online gift card. You can just shop online. You'll get everything sent right to you. Super duper convenient. If you need anything else for back to school, you'll be getting this. Plus, you get to pick out some other Yoobi goodies. All you need to do to enter the giveaway is go to my Instagram, which I'll have linked down below, and it'll be right over here. It's Ohdangdanii with 2 eyes. Just repost that photo and use all the hashtags that are going to be listed down below and that will be on the picture. All you need to do is repost that picture for an entry and make sure to be subscribed to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. And if you'd like, please also follow Yoobi on Instagram and everything, and also my boyfriend who was kind enough to sit through this video with me and help me out with this. Really, the entry is just reposting that photo on Instagram. Any other giveaway rules will be listed underneath that photo, and again, it'll run till the end of August. The giveaway will be contacted by me via Instagram DM, and then I will be checking if you are subscribed to my channel and if you are following me on Instagram, so just a heads up.
And she'll also be giving away one of these 2 pens.
Okay.
Since she has 2.
I guess I'll go out and buy a new one, and one of you guys will get it, okay? Okay, so he just added his own items to the giveaway. He's just giving away my stuff now.
You're welcome.
Alright, you guys, I will be having a nut...
Oh, sorry, go.
Oh my gosh. Alright, you guys, I am doing a full back to school series. Be sure to be subscribed to this channel, not only for the giveaway, but also because I'm hosting more giveaways this year, all for back to school, and I'm really excited. Oh, you can see my dog.
Oh,
He just ran away. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you have an Instagram, please follow me at Ohdangdanii with 2 eyes, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!